houseplants happy over winter can be so very challenging. I have over 200 houseplants, and when winter comes, it is a difficult time because you have so many different changes going on inside your home, and your plants are very in tune to those changes, especially the plants that you put out for summer and you brought back inside in your home. So two of the most important things that you need to be aware of when taking care of your houseplants in the winter: temperature and humidity. Those are so important when it comes to winter houseplant care. One of the ways that I've been able to monitor my temperature and humidity in my home is with the INKBIRD Hygrometer. The INKBIRD Hygrometer is awesome because it has a large display. It shows the time, it shows the date, it shows the weather outside, and it shows the temperature and humidity inside. The screen is 3.71 inches and it is high contrast, easy to read. So don't worry about when you come down early in the morning, you're all bleary-eyed. You'll be able to read this screen. It has a rechargeable battery in it, and if you set your hygrometer to update every 60 minutes, the battery can last you up to 12 months. That's crazy. Tropical plants can handle temperatures down to 46 degrees and not die off. So keeping your houseplants happy over winter, you want to make sure that you maintain your temperatures. You don't want any drastic dips in temps or anything that is too hot. So I like to keep my rooms between 65 and 70 degrees. I'm someone who is always cold, so I tend to keep it more on the 70s side. But usually, like, my husband comes in and he turns the temperature down when he gets home from work, and I don't like that, so I turn it back up anyways. So a good range of temperatures for houseplants is anywhere between 60 to 70 degrees in my experience. And then your humidity, different houseplants like different types of humidity, different levels. So like your cactus is not going to need as high of humidity as like your alocasia or something like that. So I like to keep like kind of like a median. So like 60% humidity is a good place to be in my house with a variety of houseplants. If you live in a cold zone like I do, our winters can dip into the negatives and we get snow, ice, all that, which means I have to turn my heat on. Heat can be so drying in the winter time. So being able to monitor your humidity and your temperature is key. A lot of people get nosebleeds in the winter from the extra dry weather. So what you can do for yourself and your houseplants is add in a humidifier that will maintain a consistent humidity. If you're only concerned about your houseplants, you definitely can mist them. Misting does increase the humidity, but it's only for a short period of time. Your best bet is to have a humidifier and to have a hygrometer like the INKBIRD Hygrometer to measure your humidity and temperature in your home. So to maintain humidity in your home, a lot of people swear by misting, and I myself am a mister. I love to mist only because I like to see water droplets on the leaves, but misting is not a great way to maintain humidity. But other ways to maintain are grouping your plants together. I know for a fact that that works because I grouped all these plants together and I put the INKBIRD right in the center. That humidity was in the 70s. I since had to bring it down some by spreading some things out, moving some things around. 70 is a bit high. My windows were getting misty, so I had to do something. But grouping them together, misting will maintain humidity just for a little while, probably like 30 minutes because that water will dissipate. And then having on a pebble tray, that humidity will stay around that plant for as long as that water is still there. But your best bet for consistent humidity is a humidifier. And then for measuring your humidity and temperature, a hygrometer. The INKBIRD Hygrometer is a smart device. So it comes with an app so that you can monitor the temperature and humidity in your home while you're away from your home. If you are interested in getting an INKBIRD Hygrometer for your home, I will link everything in the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the INKBIRD Hygrometer or questions about taking care of your houseplants over winter. I will do more videos on this, but until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!